everyone! Today I will be showing to you guys the coupons that I got. So I ordered my insert to J Family Ramos Facebook page. So if you want to order a insert, you can follow them in their Facebook page, and I will put their Facebook page link in the description. You can message them also in their phone number. I will include also their phone number. And the insert is from New Jersey, and once you order, it already includes the shipping through FedEx, so it's fast shipping. And we will be getting Save Insert, Super Saver, and Smart Source. So, and luckily, we will not be getting any PNG insert anymore. But there is printable coupon in pnggoodeveryday.com. So if you have a printer, you can print some coupon in the website. So first is the Save Insert. So there is $3 off on any one CeraVe product. The expiration is February 25 of 2023. And then $3 off on any CeraVe ointment product. The expiration is February 25. $4 off on any one CeraVe baby product. The expiration is February 25. And then in the next page, a $4 off on any two packages of Boost drink. So the expiration is April 2 of 2023. Last time we got $5 off when you buy two. And then $1 off on any one doll body wash, men's body wash, or kids body wash. The expiration is February 19. And then $1 off on any two doll foaming hand washes. So the expiration is February 19 also. And then there is promotion in CVS this coming week that when you spend $30 on Nexus product, you will get $10 extra box reward. So I got CRT for Nexus, and I hope they have the items that I want to buy. And then for cosmetic, we got $2 off on any one Maybelline New York lip product. The expiration is February 18. We got $3 off on any one Maybelline New York Instant Age face product. And then $2 off on any one Maybelline New York mascara product. The expiration is February 18. And then the other page, we got $6 off on any two L'Oreal Paris hair color. So the expiration is February 25. And then we got $4 off on any two L'Oreal Paris All Vibe shampoo and conditioner. The expiration is February 18. So most of the time, the L'Oreal glitch in the digital coupon, the paper coupon glitch. And then we got also $3 off on any two Garnier Fructus shampoo and conditioner. The expiration is February 11. And then $3 off on any two Garnier Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner. The expiration is February 11. And then here, so here the She Moisture, there will be a deal also. Spend $20 and get $10 extra box reward. That is awesome. And then we got $5 off on any Flonase pills, 36 count to 48 count. The expiration is February 19. And then we got $10 off also for the 96 count and spray. The expiration is February 12. We got $2 off on any Robitussin product. The expiration is February 19. $2 off on any Theraflu product. And then $2 off on any Advil respiratory product. The expiration is February 19. And then we got Biotin manufacturing coupon. The expiration is March 4 of 2023. Last time we got $2.50. And then we got 75 cents on any one Tom's 28 count or larger. And then $1.50 on any two Tom's 28 count or larger. The expiration is March 5. And then we got $2 off on any Polident products. The expiration is March 4. And then $1.50 on any Super Polygrip. And then $2.50 for Super Polygrip 2 count or 3 count. And then we got 75 cents on any Band-Aid product and Neosporin. And then in the other side, we got $2 off on any Tylenol PM or Motrin or Simply Sleep product. The expiration is May 4. $2 off on any adult Tylenol product. The expiration is May 4 also. And we got $1 off on any Sunsweet Amazing Juice product. The expiration is May 30. I have not tried that juice. And then $2 off on any 2 jars of Ragu sauce. The expiration is March 31. And then we got $1 off on any Nature's Bounty vitamin or supplement, including the kids. $3 off on any Nature's Bounty fish oil or CoQ10 supplement. The expiration is March 5. $2 off on any 2 Nature's Bounty vitamin or supplement. And then in the next page, to one another, we got $10 off on any Flex, and then $7 off on any Ease product, and $5 off on 88 count or smaller. And then here we got $1 off, $1.50 on any Violife product, and then $1 off on any 2 Blue Diamond almond 6 ounce or larger. And then we got also $1 off any Blue Diamonds almond 12 ounce bag or larger. So here we got $1 off on the barbecue sauce. Then 75 cents on any 1 Sticky Finger barbecue sauce. And then here for the Joint Health Supplement for dog, we got $5 off, and then the other one is for the cat, $2 off. And then our CoverGirl coupon is now in Save Insert. Before it's in Smart Source. We got $3 off on any 1 CoverGirl face product. The expiration is February 18. $3 off on 1 CoverGirl eye product. The expiration is February 18 also. $2 off on 1 CoverGirl lip product. The expiration is February 18. And then we got this $2 off on any Magnilife Tropical Cream product, and then $3 off on Magnilife Dissolving Tablet. And then in the other page, we got $1 off on any 2 Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, $1 off on any 2 Sweet Baby Ray's dipping sauce, and then $1 off on any hot sauce. And then in the other page, we got $5 off on any 1 ounce or larger True Skin skincare product. So the expiration is March 31. We got $2 off on any True Skin facial serum for ounce size. $7 off on any 1 jar of Penetrix joint and muscle therapy. And then in the last page, we got $1 off on any 2 full-size Excellence bar. So the expiration is February 28. And then in our Super Saver, so there's only a few pages. We got $6 off on any 2 She Moisture product. The expiration is February 18. So it excludes the bar soap, lip balm, single packet, or mask. And then we got $4 off on any 2 Dove or Dove Men Plus Care Degree Men or Swab Dry Spray Antiperspirant or Deodorant Spray. The expiration is February 18. And then $2 off on any 1 Dove 0% Aluminum Deodorant Spray. The expiration is February 18. And then $1 off on any 1 Hellmann's product. $1 off on any Suave Lotion product. The expiration is February 18. And then we got $5 off on any Nexus product, in which there's a deal in CVS this coming week. The expiration is February 18. And then $2 off on any 1 Vaseline lotion product is 6.8 ounce or larger. There is a deal in Giant Food Store this coming week. It's buy 3 and you will get $5 off instantly. Sorry for that. And then $2 off on any one Axe stick deodorant, body spray, or body wash. So in Giant Food Store, the Axe is part of the buy 3 and get $5 off. And then we got $2 off on any one Dab Men Plus Care hair care product. The expiration is February 18. We got $7 off when you buy 3 shampoo and conditioner and tonic water product from Tresemme collection. And then there's separate coupon. This is $5 off when you buy 2 shampoo and conditioner product from Tresemme Pro and Fusion collection. So they have new product. So that's it for the Super Saver. And then the Smart Source, we got $7 off on any one Mega Red Base Krill product. And then we got also $10 off. And then we got $3 off on any one Airborne product. Then $10 off on any one non-drowsy Claritin. And then we got $4 off also for the 4 ounce or larger. And then $8 off for the 15 count or larger. And then we got a $3 Big Soleil or Big Flex manufacturing coupon. The expiration is February 18. So it's only 2 weeks. I hope it's a month. And then we got $3.50 on any one Ensure multi-pack. The expiration is March 18. $1 off on any St. Joseph aspirin. And $2 off on any St. Joseph aspirin 90 count or larger. And then we got 50 cents on any Ajax or Ultra Dish liquid. $3 off on any Irwin natural product. And then we got $3.50 on any Glycerina product. $2 off on any 2 Colgate toothpaste or large toothpaste. So the expiration is February 25. And we got a $2 off on any 2 Colgate manual toothbrush or mouthwash 500 ml or larger. So that's exciting. And then we got $6 off on any 2 Clairol's hair color. The expiration is February 18. We got $2 off also for the Clear Blonde. Then we got $2 off also in Clairol Root Touch. And then the other one is for $2 when you buy 2 of Clairol Itch Defy or Texture. So this is $2 off, $2 off, and $2 off. And then, so that's it for the insert. So, I think the thing that I will use is the Colgate, the Nexus, the Vaseline, the Axe, and the rest. When it comes to medicine, I don't usually coupon. Only when I need or we need something in the house because I don't want it to expire. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you want to order a coupon, please follow J Family Ramos in their Facebook page. So have a blessed day everyone.